Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share a powerful message with all my fellow Haitians and people around the world. It's time to celebrate our pride, our strength, and our rich culture. If you're proud to be Haitian or stand with Haiti, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more empowering content, and let's spread this message far and wide. Together, we can shine a light on our history and resilience. Hello, everyone around the world. I want to take this moment to remind you all that we, the Haitian people, are strong, proud, and deeply rooted in a rich culture. We come from a legacy where respect for one another was, and still is, a foundation of our way of life, even if things have changed over time. We are the first black nation to fight for and win our own freedom, and this is a part of our history that makes us proud. Unfortunately, this same history has made us a target for outside forces that seek to tear us down. They've tried to diminish our greatness, but we know the truth. Many don't want to help us because they see our strength, our resilience, and yes, they envy what we have achieved. We know the struggles we face aren't because we are weak or incapable, it's because of jealousy and fear of our potential. Time and time again, the world tries to blame Haiti for things that aren't our fault. They tried to associate us with the spread of cholera. They said AIDS originated with us. Every time something goes wrong, they point the finger at us. But deep down, we know why. They despise us for standing tall, for breaking the chains of oppression. But let me tell you this. We are a great people, with a great culture, and a proud nation. No one has a richer culture than us, and they know that. Discrimination may come from all corners of the globe, but it won't break us. We've heard the lies. They say we eat cats and dogs, but we know the truth, and so do they. Those lies are not about us. They are part of the attempts to degrade us, to shift their faults onto our shoulders. To all my fellow Haitians, stay strong. Have courage. Continue to walk in the greatness of our ancestors and uphold the dignity of our heritage. Know this. God sees every manipulation, every injustice, and every falsehood spoken against us. He takes note. So continue to do good, stand firm, and hold your head high. The world may not always acknowledge our greatness, but we know who we are, and that's what truly matters. Thank you for watching and standing with us. Remember, no matter what challenges we face, we are a great people with a legacy of strength and unity. If this message inspired you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Don't forget to subscribe and join this movement as we continue to uplift and empower the Haitian community. Together, we are unstoppable. God sees all, and justice will prevail.